Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Stripe Radar Rules Dashboard detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the Radar section from the left-hand menu. Select the Rules tab within the Radar dashboard. Click on the Create Rule button to start the process. Define the criteria for your rule using the provided options. Choose if the rule should trigger on events such as charges, refunds, or disputes. Specify the condition that will activate the rule, such as transaction amount or customer behavior. Set the action you want to take when the rule is triggered. Options may include blocking, allowing, or requiring additional verification. Once your rule is configured, review the settings for accuracy. Click the Save button to finalize the creation of your rule. Your new rule will now appear in the list of existing rules. Test the rule with a few transactions to ensure it behaves as expected. Monitor the performance of your rules regularly in the Radar dashboard. Adjust the rule settings as needed based on transaction patterns. Keep an eye on notifications for any flagged activity or changes in performance. Make updates to your rules as your business needs evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.